Question. Seuseungnim, we often hear the saying, knowledge is power. But we also hear the opposite, ignorance is bliss. When these two ideas clash, it's confusing to know which one to follow. Sometimes I choose whichever one feels convenient, and it becomes an excuse or a way to justify my situation. Could you help us understand this properly?
Let me explain this clearly. When the time comes for you to know something, nature reveals it to you. But when you try to force knowledge before you're ready, that becomes poison. So don't push yourself to know everything ahead of time. Your real work is the 30% that's right in front of you. If you handle that sincerely and properly, the next lesson comes, and then the next one. Things become yours step by step, in the right order. But if you reach too far and try to grab what belongs to a higher stage, then parade it around as if it's the answer, you end up hurting yourself. Why? Because there is a law of inner mass. When you've grown to 30%, you should only handle that 30%. The remaining 70% is what you still need to work towards. If you try to pull that 70% toward you before you're ready, your inner mass can't support it, and you're guaranteed to get hurt. The universe operates by this principle. Nature operates by this principle. And even you operate by this principle. Everything follows the law of 3 to 7. Your life also unfolds within this law. If you don't understand it, you'll keep making mistakes in relationships, in marriage, at work, everywhere. We're living in a time when the universe is expanding rapidly. If you stay still, making no effort, nature's momentum leaves you behind. And the suffering that follows is far greater than anything we've experienced in the past. So you can't afford to be lazy. From now on, stitch by stitch, you must strengthen the immunity of your spirit. Study truth. Receive the right energy. Only then can you stand strong in any environment. The law of 3 to 7 is incredibly important. From today, recognize its value and begin your study with this awareness. Do you understand?
Key teaching points. 1. Knowledge comes when you're ready. Forcing knowledge before it's time only harms your growth. Focus only on the lessons that are given to you right now. 2. Focus on the 30% in front of you. Grow step by step. Don't try to jump ahead to a level you're not yet equipped for. 3. Everything follows the law of 3 to 7. To keep up with an expanding universe, strengthen your spiritual immunity through steady effort and truthful study.